friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Dee Dee and I love to give unsolicited advice about fashion, hair, beauty, and stuff. Today, we are going to talk about a new box. It's called, it's upside down. It's called Beachly. Beachly is a new subscription box that I came across on Instagram, and it's all things beach. And as you guys have heard me tell you before, that I love everything beach. It's once every season, so you can either just purchase it when the season comes, or you could do, I think it's like a little bit of a discount for the whole year, but I wanted to just check out the first box to see if I would even like it. It is $99, but you get over $350, I believe, in products. So kind of like FabFitFun, where, you know, all the products in there are gonna be yours. You don't have to return anything. It's all yours. Alrighty, so here we go, digging in. So inside this says, "Hello, sunshine. By ordering this box, you've helped keep a beach clean and pristine. Big thanks for supporting us and our partner, Heal the Bay. As always, don't forget to reuse or recycle. The proceeds do go to help clean our water. Spring 2021, Beachly." Now, I don't want to look at this yet because I don't want to ruin anything. It comes with a fun little recipe here. Nacho everyday cheese sauce. I can't do dairy, but I'm sure I could make it for someone else. So this is a total surprise. I haven't looked at any of the videos for this season. I honestly don't know what's gonna be in here. Okay, the first thing, it's pretty. Let me see if I can open it. Don't you love it? It says, "This bag is not a toy and maybe a choking hazard." Okay, good to know in case I need to choke anyone. Oh, these are like little pants. They're pants for the beach. Oh, this is great, like a little cover up, so you can just, you know, slip it over your bikini or bathing suit. These are cute. I guess they're like a one size fits all. I mean, they do stretch out a little bit, so they're really cute. Did they ask me for any sizes? I don't think they did, but you know what? My memory is getting a little weird. All right, then there's this thing, coconut bowls. It is a coconut bowl, and it has a cute little rainbow on it. This is very cute. I guess you could keep this by like your front door, and you can just drop your keys in there, or near your garage, or whatever way you get in and out of your house. I mean, that's what I would think it was for. Or you could put some marbles in here. It's cute. I guess it's made out of real coconut. The next thing, oh. Haha. Yeah, I love sunglasses. Whoa. Cool. They're like that tortoise shell Wayfarers. And they keep out a good amount of light. This is really cool. They're great because, you know what? I don't want to use my really fancy sunglasses on the beach because then they get ruined. But this is great. This is going to the beach with me. All right, the next thing in here is I don't know what this is. I guess you could attach it to anything. It says, "Attuned to the energy of the moon, Moonstone is known to stabilize emotions, decrease stress, and enhance intuition." I don't know what this is though. It has like, I guess one could hook this up to a purse. All right, this is 101 Ointment Multi-Balm. 100% natural, 101 uses. Ooh, does it make me fly? Because I want to fly. A little tube of magic. Ooh. It doesn't really tell you exactly what it does, so I guess you could just massage it into whatever. It is multi-award winning, vegetarian, hardworking, and powerful multitasker. I will need a little bit more information on this, but it's LANO-less. No idea what it is. They don't say what the awards are that it won either. It's a mystery, but I will leave a description below so you can see what all the things are that I got. Is this a sticker? It's a sticker of a little bicycle. And last but not least, this is nice. This purchase supports education and the villagers who weave them. Handwoven seagrass bag, ethically made in Thailand. It is cute. It's not something I would definitely keep because I know that I'm going to get a splinter. somehow. This is so cute though. I might give it as a gift to someone. Oh, I was like, what's in there? Silica gel. It is very cute though. I'm thinking about putting this in the gram bag. It's not bad. It's just that not something that I'm gonna keep. I've got a lot of bags and I have another subscription that gives me a bag every month and I don't know what to do with them either, but this is very cute and it would be a nice gift to somebody. So I think it's gonna end up in the grab bag. Is there anything else in here? Oh, and there's another recipe for chocolate chip nice cream. Oh, okay. So the bowls are made for putting food in. I don't know if I would put food in there. It just seems like it would be too cute to put food in. Somebody might like that though. So this was a very interesting box. I would have to say, I'm not sure if it is a $99 worth of stuff, but I would have to check and see how much the prices are valued at. Actually, let me see if they are in that book. Okay, so those pants that I got are these. They're cute. I'll keep those. Okay, so, oh, the value of those pants, it's from Oneill and it's $59.50. The keychain, that's what this thing is. I'm gonna put this in the grab bag too because I don't really use keychains. I just use like this leather pouch. I stick my keys in there because otherwise I'll lose them. They're all clunky everywhere. I'm not into that. And I don't really need a keychain. It is worth $13. So we've got $73 already. The coconut bowl is worth $18. I can't do math. The Coconut 101 Ointment Multi-Balm. LANO Lips. Okay, that's what it's called. So it must be for lips. That's $13.50. Again, I'm probably gonna put that one in the giveaway bag as well, but I don't see that little pouchy thing. It's not in there. They didn't put down what the sunglasses were worth. This is very interesting. So the things that are in here that were not in the bag are this shirt, which you can't see, that is valued at $55, and this bag that is valued at $95. I think that I may have gotten on the boat a little late, and that's probably what they replaced the shirt with, probably the sunglasses, and then this thing, but I don't think this thing's value is at $95. I would have serious doubts about that. So I'm just wondering, like, had I gotten it sooner, would I have gotten all those other items? So I wanted to take a pause and go online and check out to see what the prices were on the sunglasses and the little bag, because I was feeling kind of, you know, like, is this really worth the $99? These sunglasses are $150 at Nordstrom. And this bag is $45 on their website. So this right here is almost $200 worth of products. Definitely worth it. I feel a little bit better now because, you know, $99 is not cheap for a subscription anything. And especially if you're not sure what you're gonna get. And you end up keeping this stuff, so you have the responsibility of either gifting it, donating it. Unfortunately, I've heard of people throwing stuff away. Please don't do that. There are so many needy people out there that need whatever you can give them. Always donate or, you know, help the needy. In any case, definitely worth it. And these sunglasses, I'm definitely wearing these on the beach because look how cool they are. Now that you guys know how much all of this was worth for the $99, what do you guys think of this box? Do you think I should do another one? I think I might. I just want to see how that one will go, and if it feels as successful as this one ended up being, then I would definitely do the yearly subscription. And if not, I don't know, maybe, maybe not. Or do you think I should just go ahead and buy beach themed stuff and send it to myself? I could do my own didistyle beach box. The thought is occurring, but I'd probably spend way more money than $99. Anyway, anyone have any vacations coming up? Let me know and share in the comments below on where you're going. Bye!